Hi, this is Visit Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to delete files on Google Drive. Before you get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. Google Drive is a storage service that lets you save files online and access them from any computer, smartphone, or tablet. You can upload, edit, and share files online using Drive on your PC or mobile device. Understanding how to maintain storage space in Drive can help you manage your files. In this video, we discuss why and how to delete files on Google Drive. So it's so simple. So first of all, we have to open our Google Drive. Now you can just choose on the files that you want to delete. For example, I will choose this one. You can tap and hold on the files. You can choose multiple files to delete at once. Maybe I will choose this one and also this one and also this one. And you can just tap on here on the delete icon in here. Tap on move to trash so that files will be deleted or removed from your Google Drive and move to trash that you can restore anytime maybe you need that file again. Or you can just tap on the three dots in here and you can scroll down and you'll find there's an option to remove. Tap on remove and move to trash. It's so simple, right? So that is how to delete files on Google Drive. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.